In the last video, we created the files and added basic boilerplate code.
In this video, we will add the nav bar. First, above the body tag, we will add a link tag. For the href, we will add a Google API link. If you want this link, it will be in the description below. Next, we will add a header with the ID of header. Then, we will add a B tag with the ID of header image. And the text would be Rayan and Sai code. Then we will add a nav with the ID of navbar. And then we will add a UL tag with 4 list tags. Inside each list tag, we will have an anchor tag. The href is #about-us. And then it will have the class of navlink. And the text will have about us. And we will copy and paste the anchor tag into each list tag. For the second list tag, we will add #videos. And the text will be demo. For the third, we will add #photos. And it would be photo gallery. For the fourth one, we will add #contactus. And the text would be contact.
That's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to add the embedded video demonstration, as you can see here, and this text. Thank you for watching.